Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the world of finance, you've probably heard the terms trading and investing. Many people use these words as if they mean the same thing, but they are actually very different. In today's video, we'll break down the differences between trading and investing in a simple way. By the end of this video, you'll understand how each approach works, their advantages and disadvantages, and how to decide which one may be a better fit for your financial goals. So, let's state it. What is trading? Trading is the process of buying and selling financial assets to make a profit from short-term price movements. These assets can include stocks, forex, currencies, cryptocurrencies, commodities such as gold or oil, indices. The main goal of a trader is to buy an asset at a lower price and sell it at a higher price. Some traders also profit when prices fall by using strategies that allow them to sell first and buy later. Unlike investors, traders usually hold their positions for a short period. Depending on the trading style, this could be a few minutes, a few hours, several days, a few weeks. Because prices can change very quickly, traders spend a lot of time analyzing charts, following market news, and looking for opportunities. Types of trading. There are different types of trading. Day trading. A day trader opens and closes trades on the same day. They don't leave positions open overnight. This style requires constant attention because prices can move quickly throughout the day. Swing trading. Swing traders keep trades open for several days or weeks. They try to profit from short-term trends in the market. Scalping. Scalping is one of the fastest trading styles. Scalpers make many small trades throughout the day, aiming for small profits on each trade. This style requires speed, discipline, and experience. What is investing? Now let's talk about investing. Investing is buying an asset with the intention of holding it for a long period. Instead of focusing on daily price changes, investors focus on the future. They believe the value of the asset will grow over time. Investments can include stocks, exchange-traded funds, ETFs, mutual funds, bonds, real estate, index funds. Some investors hold their investments for 5 years. Others invest for 10, 20, or even 30 years. The idea is to allow time for growth while benefiting from compound returns. Example of trading versus investing. Let's imagine two friends, Sarah and David. Sarah decides to become a trader. She buys a stock today for $100. The next day, the price rises to $105. She sells it and makes a $5 profit. Her goal is to repeat this process many times. David chooses investing instead. He also buys the same stock for $100. Instead of selling the next day, he keeps it for 10 years. If the company grows and the stock reaches $300, his investment has tripled. Both Sarah and David are trying to grow their money. The difference is the amount of time they hold their assets. Key differences between trading and investing. Let's compare them side by side. Time. Trading focuses on the short term. Investing focuses on the long term. Goal. Traders want to profit from short-term price movements. Investors want long-term growth. On activity level. Trading requires frequent buying and selling. Investing usually requires fewer transactions. On risk. Trading often carries higher risk because prices can change quickly. Investing also involves risk, but long-term investing has historically helped reduce the impact of short-term market fluctuations. In terms of time commitment, Trading requires daily attention. Investing usually requires occasional reviews and long-term patience. Advantages of trading. Trading offers several benefits. First, traders can potentially make profits over short periods. Second, there are opportunities in both rising and falling markets. Third, traders can improve their skills through practice and experience. However, success requires education, discipline, and proper risk management. Disadvantages of trading. Trading also comes with challenges. It can be stressful because prices move constantly. Many beginners lose money because they trade without a strategy. Trading also requires emotional control. Fear and greed can cause poor decisions. Without proper risk management, losses can grow quickly. Advantages of investing. Investing has many advantages. It requires less daily attention. It allows your money to grow over time. Long-term investors may also benefit from compound growth, where earnings can generate additional earnings over the years. Investing is often easier for people who have full-time jobs or businesses because it doesn't require watching the market every day. Disadvantages of investing. Investing also has disadvantages. It takes patience. You may wait years before seeing significant returns. Markets also experience ups and downs. Sometimes investments lose value before recovering. That's why investors need a long-term mindset. Which one is better? Many people ask. Which is better, trading or investing? The answer depends on your goals. If you enjoy studying markets, have time to analyze charts, and understand the risks, trading may suit you. If your goal is to build wealth gradually with less day-to-day involvement, investing may be a better choice. Some experienced people combine both. They invest most of their money for long-term growth while using a smaller amount for trading. Whatever approach you choose, make sure you understand the risks involved. Here are tips for beginners. If you're just getting started, here are a few simple tips. First, learn before risking real money. Second, never invest or trade money you cannot afford to lose. Third, create a plan and stick to it. Fourth, avoid making emotional decisions based on fear or excitement. Finally, continue learning because financial markets are always changing. Knowledge is one of your most valuable investments. Trading and investing both offer ways to grow your money, but they are designed for different goals. Trading focuses on short-term opportunities and requires active participation. Investing focuses on long-term growth and rewards patience. There isn't one approach that's right for everyone. The best choice depends on your financial goals, available time, experience, and risk tolerance. Take time to learn, practice good risk management, and make informed decisions. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future videos about trading, investing, and personal finance. Bye.